Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to all of you into my channel A to Z Therapy with Smriti. This is your host Smriti Sikta Mishra. I am an occupational therapy and clinical psychology student. So come, join me on my journey of becoming a therapist and let's learn together.
Hello, everyone, and we have a very special guest with us today, Dr. Shivaji Kumar, who has been working in the field of rehabilitation care and disability for the past almost 30 years. 30 years, it's like 3 decades. It's a rich experience, and he has been awarded with a lot of prestigious awards. For example, Viklang Bandhu Award, Special Teacher Award, and he started his career in 1993 from the field of mental retardation, which was in those days it was like so off the track. And we are honored to have you, sir.
Thank you. Namaskar to everyone.
So, sir, first of all, okay, so we are starting. One sec. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. So we will be discussing about how can differently abled people be trained to excel in corporate or work culture, and how as a society we can increase the overall inclusiveness. So my first question will be to you that as I said before, that you graduated from 1993. In 1990, like you entered in for graduation in 1993, and in those days, choosing a career in mental retardation and it was very off the trend. And still, it is a stigmatized. It is still a stigmatized issue. So, how did you landed up there?
Thing is that in my village, when I used to go to my village, I see one girl child. Now we can say it's a spastic cerebral palsy.
Okay.
She has been their parents and they're neglecting the villagers and everyone. Just keep sitting and not able to walk anywhere. And people of the street, they used to throw the stones. So I wanted to know, the people used to say pagli. I wanted to know what is happened, and I didn't get answer. Somebody tells she's the mad, pagal. So then when I have done +2 from the Darbhanga in the science, so we have applied in the engineering as well as this field, bachelor degree course in mental retardation, and fortunately, I just passed in bachelor degree course in mental retardation, went to Secunderabad and appeared in interview, and then I saw in their hospital the same children like what I have seen in my village. It was there in the hospital. So I thought, even that time I have completed in the IIT and Roorkee and other engineering exam also. So I thought we should do something different for the people like who is suffering in village and not have fortune to get all the facilities what the people are getting here. So I decided to start my career in this field.
Wonderful, sir. Sir, you have been working as State Commissioner of Bihar for persons with disabilities for the past 3 years. How has been, and you are also a part of NGOs like Special Olympics Bharat. You are also a trustee of that, and also a member of the Paralympics Committee of India. How has been work experience in the field of disability till now?
See, last 29 years I have been working for the person with disability. And imagine the Person with Disability Act has come in 1995. And so it was very difficult when we have completed our courses and nobody were knowing what is a BMR and other things. So when I landed at our hometown in Patna and I joined the polio hospital, then I started. I was the person who started the movement in the Bihar in the none of the specialist school were for the exclusive for intellectually. Now earlier it was mental retardation. Now it's intellectual disability, and no sports activities were started for the person with disability. In 1995, when the Special Olympics national game held at Hyderabad, then I voluntarily I have joined there. Then I thought I should start the Special Olympic and the sports for the person with disability in Bihar also. So in the year 2000, we have started the sports for person with disability, and gradually we started the Special Olympics more. I was the founder who started in the Bihar the Special Olympics and Paralympics, Deaf Olympics, Blind Sports, AV Olympics, another the activities. And when I started, then the children started to excel. And in the year 2003, our one athlete, Mr. Baba Rafat, participated in World Summer Games in Ireland and won 2 bronze medals. Then he came, and then media people knew about this international medal, and then they started the other person with disability also started to participate. And later on, more than 900 person with disability athletes were participators in international events from Bihar. So now, whenever the national any events is conducting, then we will see the athlete from the Bihar gets 1 up to 5th means rank overall medal tally. So yeah, we just started, and now still you see the government in the Bihar. We have fought for the government job for based on the sports for person with disabilities. Then in 2005 we started. In 2003 also, the government of Bihar started to Khel Samman for who is getting the international medal or the national medal also, and financial assisting to them also, and awarded in a state level with the state level function. And then later on, the 2005, we fought for the job also. Now Bihar government is providing the government job also for the who is getting the international and national medal.
It's wonderful initiative, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So you did so much in the field of disability. You did so much for the people with disabilities. How can still it is like you started your journey from 1993, and it has been almost 30 years, but still if we see in the society the level of inclusion, the level of awareness, the level of stigma that is associated with this, it's still there. So what can we do for what can we do towards a better inclusive society and organizations, whether it be in government sector or private sector, for the persons with disabilities?
See, then later on we have started the NGOs also, and more than 86 the NGOs and special schools. We just with help of the people and the professionals and other people who, even parents also, started the various schools and then the NGOs also, and they started creating the awareness also. So we have been creating the awareness, and you see the road, the 14, recently 14 book also on the disability also. So recently I published on the barrier free environment for the person with disability. And after coming in the government field as a state commissioner for person with disability, also we have started implementing all the and the various sections which is provided in the Rights of Person with Disability Act. Now more than 6 lakhs person with disability are attached with our WhatsApp also. We have started the more than 3.2 lakhs. Where the court cases were there in our court of a state commissioner disability, means their grievances we have resolved within 2 years. This data is before 31st of March 2020. So within 2 years we have just for my intervention, more than 3.20 lakh person with disability got their rights, what they were not getting earlier. And now the person with disability has started and hoping and putting into mainstreaming, and they are getting the jobs also, they are getting the recognition also, they are getting the loans and other thing also, education also. many people getting in the higher education also we got the 5%. Bihar is the first state where we started just notify the 5% government 5% jobs in private sector also. Like in section 21, it is giving equal opportunity policy. So we have just last in the year of 3rd December 1919. We just circulated and that every any private organization keeping the 20 people, at least one person should be from the person with disability. So there people have started to giving them the job also in the private sector also. In the government sector, 4% is just we are monitoring that with what the roster has been they have applying. So regularly we are monitoring the job also, and also we just finding the people who getting the fraud certificate of disability and they are getting various job and getting the benefits. So we have started the movement also, and just recently we under my court the cases are going on, and we just in the from court we started to giving the direction to the districts and the civil surgeon also to find out and recheck the validity and reassess their disability also. So people are leaving their job and their so that what we are doing, providing their rights of the person with disability and mindly monitoring in the especially for in the Bihar. You will see we have the panchayat level, the block level, subdivision and district level. We have the DPG, Disabled Person Groups also. Yeah. Under Section 72 of Rights of Person with Disability Act, it has given the government people with disability and the people who are on the in the government sector and in the media and the social services and professionals also we sit together and find out what the problems they are facing. Especially government of Bihar, Sarkar Aapke Dwar. Means we wanted to just resolve their problems at the doorstep only. So we are very hopeful, and we are resolving the grievances. It shows that we are on the level that the person with disability are hoping against hope.
That's wonderful. And obviously, as a government institution, it's very important to see that people don't misuse the benefits by getting false certificates. Yeah. So, being a trustee of Special Olympics Bharat, it's one of the biggest NGOs I believe we have in the country who organizes Olympics level sports for persons with intellectual disability. What do you think, according to you, Special Olympics Bharat has how much to level it has been successful in creating the atmosphere for athletes and a better inclusive society?
I'm correcting. I was the trustee till before joining being state commissioner. So now at present I'm not a trustee, but I have been associated with the Special Olympics since January 2000. So still we are associated with the Special Olympic. You see, the Special Olympic movement have tremendously changed the vision and the thoughts of the people with other, including the intellectual disability as well their parents and the society also. See, they are lagging behind in intellectual capacity, but their physical activities are as well good as we are. So they are performing, and sometimes you see performing better than the normal athlete also. So once they are participating and the winning the medals and getting back with Lawrence and see the society, even the people are not getting the medals, not winning, and these people are getting medals and see these people are the productive citizen. So I think tremendously the scenario has been changed since 2000. I see now people are saying that these people are as good as we are there. So they are started to accepting their ability in the field of sports.
Okay, great. So last year, Special Olympics Bharat launched one of the finest projects, Mission Inclusion Bharat. Can you
Yes.
please throw some light on Mission Inclusion Bharat and what it aims to bring the change in the country?
Inclusion is, we have started in the project Unify in Patna also in the
Mm-hmm.
year 2009. So the inclusion means the people started, or the special athletes started to playing with the same ability of the normal athlete also. So there's two things happening there. The normal people, normal children, normal peers, their friends started to accepting the our special athlete, intellectually athlete also, and same our athlete also feels like I'm not different, because they are getting love, friendship, and participation, inclusion. So it's a very wonderful programs, and we are getting very much success in the inclusion programs. We are included even. We have started to young athlete program also before the age of 9. So starting from the 3 years to 9 year also, we started a young athlete program, and in our Anganwadi centers we have numbers of athletes. Means I will say more than 1 lakh our children with intellectually disabled, and the people with normal. Means children with normal also, they have started to participating also. And even above the 9 year to above, also they started in some event like athletic, some event like even the team game also, individual game also. They start keep participating, and they are feeling that they are in the part of their society. So inclusion is very necessary and very useful nowadays.
Mm. So, as you mentioned that India has started, we as a society have started accepting the athletes with intellectual disabilities or some sort of physical disabilities equally in levels. I believe that we have a great pool of talent. But
Yes.
when we see that in the medal tally, whether it be a Winter Olympics, Para Olympics, or the Summer Para Olympics, we see that as compared to other international sports societies or countries, our medal tally is not that impressive. But when we see to our pool of talent, it's quite impressive. So, how do you think that we can level up our sports scenario for the field for persons with disabilities?
Is a good question, and I will correct your question that now last 10 years our medal tally have drastically improved. You will
Yeah.
see, yeah, recently in the when I was in the deputy chief the mission in the Asian Para Games,
Mm-hmm.
we won medal as the normal our and Indian delegates
Mm-hmm.
won the medal as well. I mean we won more gold medal, silver medal, and bronze medal than where our normal people participating. Same in the Asian Games when the Indian team participated. Our honorable Prime Minister also, they have called their at residence, they met, and same next day they have announced their cash award also, and we got our athlete, we got their cash award also. And same the Special Olympic also, our medal tally just, you have to check, we are improving and
Yeah.
not very, yeah, and that's we are on almost up to 10. So not we our the medal tally, but still India is a very large country. The population is very large. We are improving our infrastructures, and also the coaches also, we don't have trained coaches as the other countries. They are having the infrastructure and the parent and the see the villages area, the athlete with disability, they don't want to participate because they are not hoping how can we play, kaise khel sakta hai. And their most need thing is the food and other basic requirements.
Yeah.
So they are not interested in the sports, but we They keep telling with the participation in sports also, your economic condition and your mental and other activities will be going to improve. So now they coming because we have the more, especially in the Bihar, more than I think 24,000 the community coaches has been trained. So they are keep motivating.
Yeah.
So I think it's in the you will see in the Olympic to next coming Tokyo Olympic the medal tally will be improving. The Special Olympic also, Deaf Olympic also, blind sports also. It's things we regularly government of India as well as state governments are keep they're improving the infrastructure, the stadium and the special requirements for person with disability. In the Bihar is the first state in India. Government provides whatever their equipments, like 75% the assistants are providing from government. Even the I see one girl got 13 lakhs cash award for the assistance of their personal assisting equipment. So I think things are improving. Even the wheelchair basketball also they have applied. Even there the cost and the wheelchair rugby, the equipments also they have applied. I think government are providing 75%. Even how much amount is there? Amount is not bothering. Even they are talented and they are going to get the medal. The government, state government as well central government also providing there the financial assistance. I think that is going to changing in the scenario in the coming any international events.
Okay, great. Yeah, that's what we are talking about. It's like we have a great the level of talent we have. It's I don't think that we can actually compare countries like Australia or Canada to the talent we have. We have much better potential and we can do a lot more. So we are still doing it's great that we are doing a lot in the field, but what more can we do as a society, as government bodies and as NGOs to actually improve this culture of sports in our country? What more can we do?
Thing is that nowadays as a, the every states have their state body like Paralympic state level, then district level, then they are keep improving their infrastructure also. Government body is assisting, and in the especially Bihar is the first state in India organizing the sports events for the person with disability also since 2005. NGOs are also, because we have more than 300 NGOs who are registered in our Office of State Commissioner Disability, and we regularly motivating them, and the athlete and children with special needs, those are studying their NGO or especially schools. We are providing them all the facilities to improve the sports activities as well as the educational activities also. I think especially in the Bihar, we are monitoring because I am personally aware of these things. So just keep monitoring, and has visited more than 534 blocks, more than 7,000, and this panchayat, almost 38 districts. So that, and you can see in the monitoring their grievances also. So thing will be improving. I have same like as a state commissioner myself, other state also having the state commissioner, and the state commissioner having the quasi judicial power. We have the civil court power also, and we are have the court, and we are putting into trial on the grievances in anybody who are preventing the getting the rights for person with disability also. And in all the 43, 44 departments, we are keep writing them, and we are monitoring them also. What the benefits they are giving. As you know, Section 37 says that 5% of development and all the whatever the poverty alleviation scheme should be given to person with disability. I think the parents and other people are not aware of this. 5% of any budget is a good So they are not using all the 5%. So we are keep monitoring on that. I think in the rights of person with disability is very much going to impact on their lives in coming future. So I think we hoping all the whole thing will be improving in the future with support of all these things.
Okay.